Hey guys, this is Kathy. Welcome back to my channel, Kathy's Favorite Things. You guys, I am here today with another episode of Wrapping Paper Wednesday. Wrapping Paper Wednesday, you guys. I just, have been doing this open collab for the past few weeks, every other Wednesday. And you guys can join if you want. If not, you can just watch my video and get ideas on ways you can use or reuse those gift bags and your wrapping paper and create things that you can use, especially now that the holidays are coming up. I know we all have a stash of reused bags from previous years that we put aside, and we say, oh, we can use it again for another birthday and put another gift in it. Sometimes we reuse them so much that they get like worn out, but we still save them. Well, you can cut those bags apart and use them to make some things like the things that I'm gonna show you right now. So let me just start here. This one here, you probably recognize the colors. This is from a Victoria's Secret bag and that I had from things that I had purchased previously, and I had used it and reused it. So the paper had a few wrinkles, and then I wrinkled it a bit more because I cut the paper into a square shape and I folded it to make an envelope. So this is the back, and there are your pink lines from your Victoria's Secret bag, which I have here, So I did, like I said, cut a square piece of paper and fold it into a little envelope. And then this ribbon that you see there, the black and pink on the edge, is the ribbon that also comes in the bag. It has some drawstrings like there. So I removed the ribbon and I did cut it. I have some leftover piece. I can iron this and use it for something else. So in this snowman here, which it has a little bit of glitter, can you see in his scarf? Well, those were some Christmas tags that I had from previous years also that I saved. You usually write on the inside, and then this was so beautiful that I decided to save that piece. So now I'm reusing it to decorate this envelope. And this is a perfect idea for you to, in here, you can put, a gift card, or you can put money to gift to your family members, or you can put another card, whatever, use it in your journals or anything you want to do with it. And I didn't go overboard decorating it because I wanted to reuse items that came with the bag. Like I said, I used the ribbon that came in the bag and the paper. So I think that came out super pretty, and I'm gonna put it on the side here so you can see. I'm gonna make sure that I'm in frame right there. Then this one, this is a more masculine approach because every year for Christmas, I gift my oldest son gift cards and some money plus some other gifts, things that he, like last year, he wanted new, what was it that he asked Santa for last year? I forgot. Oh, I think he wanted new ski poles, to go skiing, and a new helmet. So I got him that, and then on top of that, I gave him money, and I gave him a bunch of other things. So this envelope that I made here with this blue and silver bag that I had from Dollar Tree, it came in a set of 2 bags, and I only had 1 left, and I decided to, take it apart. Again, I used the ribbon that came in the handle of the bag to make that bow and put it there. I didn't put a jemmy on it because this is a more manly approach, and it already has glitter on the penguin's Santa hat. You can see, and the envelope itself is pretty glittery. So, I rounded the corners though here on the little penguin tag, And I did pop it up with some foam tape right there. So, you know, I'll just put the money in there and probably put a clip over here and give it to him. Or maybe put a piece of tape, I'm not sure, but I like it. And I think it came out super cool. And again, I used everything that came with the bag, and I reused some of the tags that I had. The only thing I did to the penguin was around the corners, you guys. And this is, the inside is brown because that's the inside of that bag. And you know, if you wanna like decorate this even more, you can put another piece of paper here from the same bag if you want, just to, you know, so it matches. But it doesn't bother me because, like I said, this is going to be for my son. And this is the back. I didn't do anything to the back because this mostly is going to end up going to the garbage afterwards. He's not going to keep it, you know. He's not sentimental like mommy. He doesn't keep the stuff. He just tosses it. And this is the same thing. I did the same thing with another piece of the same bag, but I decorated that with a little reindeer. It says Merry Christmas. And again, the other piece of the bag strings are there. So yeah, and this is another envelope. So I just think it's fantastic. The things that you can make with your old bags. And, you know, you just reuse stuff that you had saved there from previous years. And this, like, you know, like I said, this was the end of the ribbon that came with that bag. And I cut that plastic thing of this bag here. You know, that those are the little holes where the ribbon came in. And I just removed it. And I have some leftover pieces like this. This is on the side of the bag. And, you know, you can glue this like that and make this into a note. What's the name of this thing? A bookmark if you want, and put some stuff over here. Like, oh, I also made a tag, and I used the cover of one of the boxes that I had from last year that I reused from Dollar Tree. And this, and you can also use this to make another tag, you know, back it onto another paper like this or whatever, and that will make a nice tag also. But I made this tag. I made this tag with that box that I was telling you about. This box, see, you see the pink and the brown here. This was the side of that cover, and I cut it. But you can save that and use it, like I said, you know. So this, I had that leftover piece of cardstock, the hot pink, the metallic one. It has, you know, it was like a scrap piece of paper. And then I cut the piece of the cardboard, which is, you know, also packaging. So it also applies as wrapping. And I had this little, these things. And they are called tinsel stems at Dollar Tree, but you know, you usually call them pipe cleaners. Well, this is a red and a white, you know, together. I put it together, and then I made a bow out of it, and I just you know, put it there just to add a little bit more red. And I also add this pom-pom trim here at the bottom, and it kind of goes a lot with all the red in the tag, and it also has a lot of pink and some black. So the other piece of the ribbon from the Victoria's Secret bag, I put it up here because, you know, why toss it, right? So I think it also goes with it, and it's kind of cute. So those are my projects for today's wrapping paper Wednesday, you guys. And I hope you are inspired to reuse your packaging. You don't have to just create things with scrapbook paper if you don't have any. You know, you can just use your old packaging, all bags, all boxes, anything. So go ahead and look around and reuse and recycle your things, you guys. It's a lot of fun. So thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I hope you have a great day, you guys. Okay, bye now. Love you.